Just off the main Las Vegas Strip at 4321 Flamingo Road lies the Palms Casino Resort, a hotel and casino complex that has been in operation since the early 2000s. While it is not the quintessential casino and resort that most think of when considering the various hotel offerings that Las Vegas has to offer, the Palms Casino Resort is exceptionally unique and offers a ton of value to those that choose to spend their Vegas vacation there. After developer George Maloof originally purchased the land where the Palms now resides in 1997, multiple sales and delays occurred prior to a groundbreaking ever taking place. However, one officially did take place in October of 2000, and by November of the following year, Palms officially opened its doors. At first opening, Maloof served as the public face of the hotel and brand, and he desired the Palms to attract a similarly young and vibrant demographic as the nearby Hard Rock Hotel had. His vision came to fruition, and the Palms enjoyed an extremely successful first few years, with plans for a twin building already in the works by 2003. In 2004, construction began on the resort's second building, which soon opened as Fantasy Tower in 2005, boasting additional amenities and suites. However, in the wake of the 2008 Great Recession, the Palms was sold to Texas Pacific Group in 2010, then to Red Rock Resorts in 2016, and finally to the San Manuel Band of Mission Indians in 2021. The resort reopened its doors for the first time since the pandemic caused by COVID-19 on April 27, 2022, under its new management group. While not a strip property, Palms Casino Resort offers more than enough luxury to fit right in with mainstays such as Luxor or Wynn. Its casino, which now approaches 100,000 square feet, includes more than 2,000 slot machines and more than 50 table games. At one point, the casino floor actually had real Playboy bunnies as dealers for various card games. The casino also sports an on-hand sportsbook, operated by Cantor Gaming, that is nearly 10,000 square feet and initially opened in the spring of 2012. The hotel sports more than 700 rooms between its two towers, with room offerings ranging from modest king-bedded rooms to the epic hardwood suite, which includes half of a regulation basketball court, a locker room, a pool table, and which costs an insane $50,000 per night. Basketball is an important theme in the history of the Palms, as Maloof was a part owner of the NBA franchise Sacramento Kings. The Palms also offered 24 NBA rooms in an attempt to attract professional basketball players to stay on the premises. However, epic room offerings and bountiful gambling areas aren't the only things the Palms has to offer. There are also plenty of on-site entertainment and dining options as well. In terms of entertainment, the Palms regularly hosts A-list acts at its Pearl Theater Concert Hall. Their resort pool is another attraction that can't be missed. A 2-level pool completed with dozens of private cabanas and a poolside bar. Those looking for an even further relaxing experience can check out the Spa at Palms, a luxurious 17,000 square foot spa that puts the guests' wellness at the forefront of their service. In terms of dining, the Palms' various offerings may be their most impressive attribute. 9 distinctly different restaurants are located on site, with varying cuisines and price points. From the Eatery, a food court with quick bite offerings such as McDonald's and Panda Express, to Scotch 80 Prime, a world-renowned steakhouse, and the resort's cream of the crop establishment, the Palms has you covered no matter what your taste buds or wallet is in the mood for. The Palms Casino Resort is not the most famous or highest-grossing hotel and casino resort in Las Vegas. As a matter of fact, it often gets lost in the shuffle of other more famous brands such as Encore or Aria. However, it offers a unique package of room types, gaming, and luxurious relaxation that is sure to satisfy anyone that finds themselves staying there. Be sure to give the Palms a consideration when you're booking your next Vegas vacation. We've covered a ton of the various amenities, activities, and attractions in the Las Vegas area, so feel free to go through the channel and check them out. We would truly appreciate it if you would leave us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of the latest Vegas content. Thanks for watching!